let me start saying that I am not a content creator or anything like that. Um, but I will do a review on this here. This is a military overstock AR foldable stock adapter. Super cheap. First impression is it has a nice retention when you open it up for the stock to be folded. It does have a nice little retention. Now, once you put the weight of the stock on it, I'm not sure if that will still be the case. Um, it's not like most of my seen online reviews. It's not real wobbly when you open it. You have some play in the shaft right here. This one does not have that yet. It will be going on my 300 blackout AR pistol. That's about it. And I'm going to put this on there as well. Quick attach for a sling. I have my sling. Got my sling right there. This is my truck gun. I keep in my truck with me sometimes when I'm going on road trips. So I don't know how to do videos real well, so I'm going to install it. Once I install it, then I'll do another video on what I think about it. But so far, it feels pretty sturdy, pretty legit. I just hate that it's not made in the USA like other ones out there. So we'll see what happens. And also, if you have any, this is a PSA 300 black count AR pistol, 7.5 inch barrel. If you have any recommendations on making this thing better, let me know. I have put an optic on it. I put a foregrip so far. That's the only thing I've done to this AR pistol so far. I do want to change the charging hammer. I guess that's what y'all want to call it. Maybe a different trigger to go in it. So far, I mean, it's a decent gun for what I pay for it. It's not bad. If you have any recommendations on what I could do to make it better, improvements, anything, just please reach out, message me, let me know, comment on here. It would be greatly appreciated. And like I said, I am not a content creator, so my videos, when I do make a few of them, would not be edited whatsoever. It'd be straight, just me and you. You get what you hear or what you see. Unfortunately, so many of these content creators, they edit their videos and stuff like that. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. But anyways, at this point, I'm just rambling on. Thank you for reaching out, watching, whatever recommendations. Appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.